Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to book a cottage on our website on fleximobility.com. First, once you are on the right page for the cottage that you're looking for, you can just go to the this box here where you find the calendar, and you press on the red button here. And after this, you're going to put your checking date. Let's say you want to travel from the December 18, 2024 until December 2024. You just select your dates. And after this, you select the number of guests. And here it shows that the maximum guest that can accommodate this cottage is six guests. So if you plan to be let's say three people for your stay, you click on three guests, and you at this time you'll be able to click on check price and see the pricing for your stay. If you want to go forward with that price, if everything works for you, you just click on the blue button. You enter all your information for billing and also for contact. And after you've done that, you just click on continue to payment, and the next step will be to put your credit card information so we can take the payments. So it's as simple as that. So I hope that we'll see you, and I wish you a good day.